So hey everyone, in this video we will see iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max, how to fix live translate button, missing language and iOS settings. So in iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, how to fix live translate button missing. Go to settings, then journal, then language and region and ensure the required language for translation are added and supported. Go to settings, then app, then translate and make sure the live translate or translation feature is enabled on your iPhone. If the button is still missing, update iOS and restart the device to refresh system features and restore the live translate option. Fixes are: check live translate language setting, open setting, then translate or setting, then journal, then language and region on your iPhone. Make sure the language you want to translate between are added or enabled, since the live translate button may not appear if the required language are not selected. Fix 2 is enable live translate in iOS settings. Go to settings, then app, then translate and check that live translate or automatic translation is turned on. If the feature is disabled, the translate icon may not appear in supported apps like Message or FaceTime. Third fix is update iOS software. Open setting, then journal, then software update and install the latest iOS version. New translation features are often added or fixed through update, so updating can restore the missing live translate button. Fourth fix is restart the iPhone. Press and hold the side button and volume button until the power off slider appear. Turn the iPhone off, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on the refresh system feature, then UI element. Fifth fix is reset language and region setting. If the button still does not appear, go to setting, then journal, then transfer or reset iPhone, then reset all settings. This refresh language and system configuration without deleting your data, which can help restore missing translation feature. Thank you.